In the today's session, we are going to talk about what is Microsoft Power Apps and what we can do with Power Apps environment. What are the benefits of Power Apps platform, and can we get IT job only by learning Power Apps? In case if not, then what are the additional skills also required along with Power Apps to get software job or IT job, and what type of IT jobs I can get if you learn Power Apps? So cover all these things in this session, so watch till the end of video. Okay, so without wasting our time, let us start the main topic. What is Power App? Power Apps provides the application development environment or platform. With the help of this Power Apps platform, we can easily build the custom applications or apps. So you may have doubt where we are using exactly this Power Apps platform. Power Apps mainly used in the internal organization of any IT firms. It is not for public facing websites or applications. Of course, with the help of Power Apps, we can build applications or apps rapidly, because it was not designed for designing the massive applications like Java and .NET does. So the main purpose of Power App is to design the applications very fast and at small scale. Let me tell you a few example apps like recruitment application and onboarding application and leaving status application and holidays applications, etc, etc. However, Power Apps open a lot of opportunity on cloud of any organizations nowadays. It helps to connect or integrate around 300 services, including Microsoft and non-Microsoft services like Dropbox, Google Drive, SharePoint, SQL Server, etc. Now let me tell you what are the main usage of Microsoft Power Apps. The first one is you can easily integrate with Microsoft Office 365. And second one is you can easily do image processing functionalities and service request application. So you can design forms for collecting sales information as much more and much more with this Power Apps platform or environment. You may have another doubt, is this coding is required to develop or design these kind of application with the help of Power Apps? So absolutely, you don't require any coding knowledge to design or to develop the applications by using Power Apps. So therefore you can create apps very fast because there is no coding. Only you have to do drag and drop options. So with the help of this, you can easily make applications very fast. And also you can build the links for code and data as well. And one more great feature is Power Apps allows you to build mobile applications. Once you build these mobile applications, you can run on iOS platform and Android platform and Windows platform and other operating systems as well. That is the beauty of Power Apps platform. Then what type of benefits we are getting if you are using Power Apps? Then what are the main benefits of this Power Apps platform? The main benefit of Power Apps is it improves the productivity and cost-effective solutions as well. And one more benefit is it can easily integrate with third-party services as well. One more main benefit is it is a no-code or low-code platform to design or to make applications. And the next query is, can I get job only with Power Apps? So absolutely not. If you know only Power Apps, you may not get software job. You have to learn some additional skills as well. I hope you know very well, nowadays the companies are hiring who have multiple skills. So therefore, only with Power Apps, you may not get software job. You have to learn some additional skills like SharePoint and some data visualization tool like Power BI or Tableau. And along with that, you should know Microsoft 365 as well. And one more important skill is Power Automate. If you know these skills, then you can definitely get software job. So that's all guys, man. I hope you understand what is Power Apps and what are the benefits of Power Apps and where we are using this Power Apps platform and what we can do with this Power Apps platform. I hope you loved this content. So if you really love this content, then don't forget to share to your friends as well, and also don't forget hit the like button. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.